So if you want to fix your night owl camera if it's not working, well, there are a few things that you could actually do here to fix this problem. So first things first is you want to check power to the cameras and recorder. Now start with the basics here. So make sure each camera has power and the DVR or NVR is plugged in and turned on. Now if the camera has no lights or the recorder screen is blank, it's a power issue first. So not Wi-Fi or settings. So make sure you have or at least the cameras or the equipment is properly powered. Now, next is you want to power everything down. So the cameras, the NVR, the DVR, NVR here, router, and modem. So basically, we are going to restart the whole system. Now, what you need to do is you want to go and just wait for 30 seconds here, then power the modem. Then you want to power the router, then the recorder, then finally the cameras in that order. Now, this actually clears sync and network glitches that stop feeds from loading. Now, you want to check the camera cables and wireless signals as well. So for wired systems, you want to reseat the BNC or Ethernet cable at both ends. And for wireless cameras here, you want to go and just move the camera closer to the recorder to rule out weak signals or interference. Now, if it works closer, distance or walls are the problem. Now, also, you may want to confirm the recorder is online. So, on the network menu, check the network status. Now, if it shows offline, remote viewing won't work even if local video does. Fix the network first. Cameras depend on the recorder being online. Now, also, you may want to update the firmware on the recorder. So, outdated firmware can cause cameras to drop and or not load. So, use the Night Owl menu or app to check for updates and install them. Then reboot. This often fixes cameras randomly going back black. Then finally, you want to go and just test one camera directly. So plug one camera directly into the recorder using a short cable or pair it alone, wireless. Now, if it works solo, the issue is wiring ports or signals, not the camera itself. Now, if it doesn't, the camera may be faulty here. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.